I'm welcoming everyone for my next video. In the first video, we have discussed the future value, which is this, and the future value and the present value factors. In today's video, we are going to calculate the n power, which means the year. To calculate this, first we have to put the formula of Excel, which is equal to then n per it is showing. So to calculate the year or n per, we have to first choose the rate, which is 6%. Then the payment, so we don't have payment, so this is 0, and we have to select present value, so this is present value, and this, and now we have to put the future value in minus figure, so minus, then future value, then closing the bracket. So this is the formula to calculate the year, mm, and this is the amount. So the year is 3.83. Then we would like to calculate the rate, which means the percentage of year 5, which present value is 20,000 and the future value is 25,000. So as per as Excel, we have to put the formula first. The formula is equal, then rate, this is rate. So firstly we have to put the n power, which means this AJ, we just have calculated this year, and for this our year is 5, so 5, then payment, so we don't have payment here also, so 0, and then the present value is 20,000. Then we have to put the future value in minus figure, so minus and the future value, and this we are going to calculate in the end of the period, so 0 again, closing the bracket. So this is the formula of calculating the rate, and this is the figure, 5%. The year is 5, the amount is 2000, chronological is 20,000 and 25,000, and the rate we just have calculated in is 5%. So thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video.